Alright, so this is going to be a case study, and I want to tell you about a grandmother in Canada from my community who made $16,000 in a single week and has made up to $80,000 in a single month. Her results are so fascinating that I decided to make a case study to share with you guys on how she's making it happen, because the crazy part about it, none of her content has gone viral, and she's not this big crazy influencer. She runs her business using a laptop, a phone to record her videos, and a YouTube channel to distribute her content. Now, to be completely honest with you, it took her 2 years to see these types of results. So if you're the type of person who's looking for a get rich quick scheme, this video is not going to be for you. But if you're a person who's serious and you are very practical and want to have an insight on how all of this stuff starts to work, stay with me, because I'm going to break this all down to the best of my ability. Now, let me tell you more about Wendy. So Wendy is a grandmother in her 50s, and before Wendy came on YouTube, she was making most of her money on TikTok. She was posting about 3 pieces of content on TikTok, and she was going live every day. She made decent money following that framework, but it was burning her out and keeping her on that content hamster wheel. So she decided she was going to start coming on YouTube and post 1 video a week, talking specifically to people in their 50s who are approaching the later years of their life and are realizing that retirement that they were promised doesn't even actually exist for them anymore. You see, for this group of people, the math wasn't making any sense for them. They realized that Social Security isn't enough to be able to retire, and the savings weren't even there. On top of that, this specific demographic, people in the 50s, feel like they're running out of time to fix it. And it's a real painful problem for this demographic of people. And since Wendy is in her 50s herself, her message and her content really resonated to this group of people. And here's the psychology on why this matters. You see, when you speak to everyone, you resonate with no one. It sounds like marketing advice, but it's actually about human psychology. The brain is wired to pay attention to things that feel personally relevant. So the moment someone watches one of her videos and thinks, wait, she's talking about me, that's when trust starts to form, and that's when the relationship starts to begin. You see, she didn't just build a following, she basically found her people on the internet, and then she kept talking to them. So let me break down exactly what she's doing, because I think most people overcomplicate this. You see, Wendy, what she does is she posts YouTube videos. And the way you got to think of YouTube videos is the top of the funnel. And she's been doing this consistently for over 2 years, and most of her videos get around 1,000 views. So it's not like she is going crazy viral or nothing crazy like that. And you are probably thinking, well, how do you even make real money from that? And that's a great question to have, you see, because Wendy is not selling a $27 ebook. She sells programs that pay 100% commissions on offers priced at between $300 and $1,400. So let me do the math out loud. Let's say 1,000 people watch a video, and even if 1% of those people buy something at $900, that's $9,000 from one video only. And the thing that you have to understand about YouTube, right, is that that video is going to sit on YouTube forever. 6 months from now, that same video is still going to be pulling in viewers, and it's still going to be capturing emails. It's still going to be generating sales. Now, multiply that across 2 years of content. So this is what I mean when I say the work starts to compound. But you see, most people think of income as a paycheck. You work, you get paid, the money stops when you stop working. But what she's built is more like a library. Every video is another book on the shelf, and that library stays open 24 hours a day. Here's the part that I think says most about her character and also about what actually works. She doesn't DM people. She does zero outreach. So she's not chasing leads. She's not out here following up with strangers on Facebook groups trying to convince them that they need her thing, because coming from the Facebook world myself, this is something that is taught by the people who offer programs on Facebook, that you constantly have to build an audience by adding friends, reaching out to people. And it really burns you out when you really think about it, because you're spending most of your time just reaching out to people, and those people might not even be open to have a conversation with you. Because here's something that you really have to understand. There's a principle in psychology called reactance. It basically means that the moment you feel like someone is trying to push you towards something, your first reaction is going to push back. It's a defense mechanism because we're wired to protect our autonomy. So when someone slides in your DMs pitching you something before you even know who they are, your guard goes up immediately, even if what they're selling is a great product. You see, Wendy, she bypasses all of that. Her content goes out, people find it on their own, they watch, and then they decide if they like her, they decide if they trust her, and they opt in for her free lead magnet, something valuable that she gives away just to get the relationship started. And then they go into her email list, and this is when she could start following up with those people over time and build a relationship. And when someone is ready to buy, they come to her because they already been exposed to her content. They get her everyday emails, so that trust starts to deepen. And that's a completely different dynamic than doing cold outreach, and not just strategically but psychologically too, because the buyer feels like they made the decision on their own. She just created an environment where that decision was possible. You see, with this strategy, there's no pressure at all. There's no desperation. There's no follow-up DM messages. And ironically, that's exactly why it converts, because people buy from someone they choose, not someone who chooses them first. Now, I kind of want to stop there and be real about something, because people hear that she's been consistent for 2 years and they nod along like, yeah, consistency, I know. And then they quit after 90 days because the numbers aren't there yet. And I'm guilty of this myself. I've seen the amount of work that it takes to really start getting momentum in the digital marketing space. So trust me, I'm not judging anybody, but here's something that I'm starting to understand. The reason most people don't build what she built isn't a lack of skill. It's not a lack of the right program, because there's many programs out there that are great programs. Unfortunately, you can't do other programs. So you have to pick just one vehicle, maybe two, and then go all in. The real reason why people don't make this work is because it's a tolerance problem. You see, people, they can't tolerate the lag between effort and reward long enough for the compound effect to kick in. So let me start to paint this picture for you, right? Think about a flywheel. It's a heavy spinning wheel that takes a lot of force to get moving. In the beginning, you start to push. You push hard and it barely even moves. You push again, it barely moves. You push again, still barely moving. Most people stop right there. They think that the flywheel is broken, but if you just keep pushing and you just stay more consistent, at some point something starts to happen. You start picking up momentum, and then it starts to feel effortless. The wheel, aka your content, is going to be doing all the work so you can start entering that flow state. So if you decide that you're going to do this for like 2 to 5 years, right, of posting YouTube videos, just kind of like a flywheel, right? Month 1, almost nothing is going to happen. Maybe in about 6 months, you start to get some traction. Then a year goes by and you start to realize that something real is going to be building. And then month 24, after 2 years, you start to realize that that flywheel is spinning and you can't really stop it. You see, Wendy didn't really discover a hack. She just outlasted everyone else who started alongside her and quit. I want to speak about something that doesn't get talked about enough, because that's this cultural belief that the internet is for young people, that if you didn't start in your 20s, maybe you missed it. People think that the content game is saturated and there's no room for someone who didn't grow up on social media. And I think that's one of the most damaging lies our culture sells the people, because it keeps a lot of people who could genuinely change their financial lives completely frozen. And here's what's actually true, because the people in their 50s watching her videos, they don't want advice from a 24-year-old with perfect lighting and a ring light and maybe a thumbnail with a Lambo. You know how these young kids be doing it on the internet. They be faking it and they be hyping everything out. They want someone who gets it, someone who's lived enough life to actually have earned the perspective that they're sharing. You see, Wendy has credibility precisely because of her age, her experience, the fact that she's been through the financial anxiety that her audience is going through right now. And that's not a disadvantage, that's the whole thing. Then you got to think about, what is she saying in her message? Because the niche that she picked is so she could connect with people that can retire on what they already have. And as people get older in life, right, that's a niche that's never going to go away, because people are always going to be older and people are always going to realize that they're struggling and they're looking for solutions online. So Wendy, because she decided to produce the content talking specifically to those people, that's why she was able to generate some revenue. Every year there are more people hitting their late 50s realizing that the retirement plan that they were sold doesn't exist for them anymore. So Wendy, she positioned herself directly in front of that wave. And I was actually reading some stats the other day, and it said that up to 70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. And that's a problem that has to be solved because traditional jobs are not cutting it anymore. So, what do I actually want you to take from this? It's not go start a YouTube channel and become a grandma. I promise you, that's not what I'm trying to say to you. I just want you to understand this. The people who build real income online, not the overnight hype stories, the actual sustainable ones, they all have some version of the same thing. They have a clear person that they're talking to, and they have a way to attract that person without chasing them, a way to get them into a relationship where trust can be built, and an offer that actually pays well when someone says yes. That's it. That's the whole framework. Wendy didn't do anything exotic. She did something so simple and she did it so well for a really long time. The math took care of the rest. The question isn't whether the model works. The model clearly works. The question is whether you're willing to operate it before it even feels like it's working. Because that's the window most people can't survive. And it's that gap between starting and momentum. And I'll be honest with you, that gap is uncomfortable. I'm in it right now. I question everything, just like you. I also wonder if I'm wasting time, but the truth is that I have gotten results myself. And Wendy's stories, it lights me up and it keeps me going because the people who come out on the other side of that gap, they don't have some special talent. They just stay longer, just like Wendy. If this made any sense to you and you want to understand how something like this could work for where you at and meet you where you at right now in your life, the link for the blueprint is going to be right down there in the description. This is the same blueprint that Wendy is following. This is the same blueprint that I'm following and I'm implementing. So it's a free PDF. Go grab a copy, go read it so you can learn more about how you could do this yourself and you can learn more about our community. Take a look when you're ready. There's no pressure at all, but if something inside you recognize itself in this video, in the story I just told about Wendy, that's something that is worth paying attention to. If you're new watching this, subscribe. If you haven't, I love talking about this stuff right here. It really lights me up. And I talk about the real strategies, not all the hype that you see out there. So yeah, see you guys on the next one and make it an amazing day.